Now problem. Find the vector of length 3 units which is perpendicular to I cap plus j cap plus k cap and lies in the plane of I cap plus j cap plus k cap and 2 I cap minus 3 j cap. Let vector A be I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Now vector B I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Now vector C be 2 I cap minus 3 j cap. And one point, vector perpendicular to B and C. It means B cross C. Vector perpendicular to vectors B and C is B cross C. Vector perpendicular to A, vector perpendicular to A and B cross C is A cross B cross C. A cross B cross C. So vector triple product. A1 I cap plus A2 J cap plus A3 K cap. B1 I cap plus B2 J cap plus B3 K cap. C1 I cap plus C2 J cap plus C3 K cap. Now vector A, now it is vector B, now vector C. Now A cross B cross C. How to calculate vector triple product A cross B cross C? మనకి ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పారండి, ఇది మనం ఇంపార్టెంట్ రిజల్ట్స్లో మనం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసాను. వన్ మోర్ థింగ్ హియర్ A1 A2 A3 coefficient of I cap J cap and K cap. Coefficient of I cap J cap and K cap. So first A1 A2 A3. జనరల్ ప్రొసీజర్ ఏం చేయాలి? ఫస్ట్ మనం బి క్రాస్ సి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. బి క్రాస్ సి దిస్ వన్ ఇస్ క్రాస్ ప్రొడక్ట్. మనకి బి క్రాస్ సి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుందండి? వెక్టార్ వస్తుంది, వెక్టార్ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. సో దిస్ వెక్టార్ క్రాస్ ప్రొడక్ట్ విత్ ఏ. నౌ ఏ క్రాస్ బి క్రాస్ సి. దిస్ వన్ వెక్టార్ b cross c also vector. Again cross product between these two, again vector we get, vector value also. This general procedure and single term మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం వల్ల మనం ఫస్ట్ జనరల్ మెథడ్ అయితే ఫస్ట్ b cross c ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. వచ్చిన వెక్టర్ కి a cross అయింది దిస్ వన్, ఈ టూ వెక్టర్స్ కి మనం మళ్ళీ క్రాస్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. మళ్ళీ వెక్టర్ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. ఇది మనం జనరల్ గా చేస్తాం. అయితే డైరెక్ట్లీ మనం వెక్టర్ ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం? వెక్టర్ ట్రిపుల్ ప్రొడక్ట్. నా కోఎఫిషియెంట్స్ A1 A2 A3 B1 B2 B3 C1 C2 C3 వాల్యూస్ వేసుకోవాలి. సో A1 A2 A3. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ A1 into finding determinant A1 equals A1 into, we have to leave first row and first column. B2 I cap J cap K cap. Now A1 A2 A3. A1 into we have to leave first row and first column. Now B2 C3 minus C2 B3. Next A2 is a minus of A2 into it means we have to leave first row and second column. B1 C3 minus of C1 B3. So minus of this value is now B C1 B3 minus B1 C3. Now A3 into, we have to leave first row and third column, B1 C2 minus C1 B2. This is the determinant form. Okay, directly finding A cross B cross C vector triple product. Find the vector of length 3 units which is perpendicular to A, lies in the plane of B and C. It means A cross B cross C is the vector triple product. First you need to calculate vector. The required vector is 3 units. 3 into A cross B cross C by modulus A cross B cross C. We need to calculate this vector. So, before we go for this, we have to find A cross B cross C. A cross B cross C. It's a vector triple product. I cap, J cap, K cap. So vector A 1 1 1. Your coefficients 1 1 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3 0. Now 1 into, we have to leave first row and first column. 1 into 0 0. 0 minus of minus 3 plus 3. Next minus of minus 1 into minus 1 into. So we have to leave first row and second column. 1 into 0 0. 2 into 1 minus 2. Minus of minus plus 2. That's K. So we have to leave first row and third column. 1 into minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 minus 5. This one is B2 C3 minus C2 B3. This one is C1 B3 minus B1 C3. This one B1 C2 minus C1 B2. Finding determinant. Now I cap into, we have here first row and first column minus 5 minus 2 minus J cap into, we have here first row and second column minus 5 minus 3 plus K cap into 1 into 2 2 minus 3. This will be minus 7I cap minus of minus plus 8J cap minus K cap. This one is A cross B cross C, vector triple product. Now the required vector is 3 into, this vector is 7I cap plus 8J cap minus K cap by modulus A cross B cross C. So square root of 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 1 square is 1. Now 3 times of 3I cap plus 7I cap plus 8J cap minus K cap by 50 plus 64, 114. So this is the required vector. Next problem, if A, B and C are non-coplanar unit vectors such that A cross B cross C equals B plus C by root 2, vector B and vector C are non-parallel, then the angle between vector A and vector B is, okay, A, B, C are non-coplanar. It means box ABC not equal to 0. Vector B and vector C are non-parallel. So vector B and vector C are non-parallel. Non-parallel means non-collinear. Then the angle between A and B. If given A cross B cross C equals vector b plus vector c by square root of 2. Now scalar, vector triple product. Vector triple product. First vector dot product with third. First vector and third vector dot product into second minus first vector dot second vector into third one. This is scalar. This is the vector triple product formula. Now this one, first one, second one, first vector, second vector, third vector. First vector dot product with the third vector into second vector minus first vector dot product with the second into third vector. See, equals b by square root of 2 plus c by square root of 2. Here required angle between vector A and vector B. Here B and C are non-parallel. Here B and C are non-collinear. So compare coefficient of B vector and C vector. B vector coefficient no needed. మనకు అవసరం లేదు ఎందుకంటే B vector coefficient is A dot C. A dot C అంటే మనకి యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ A and C వస్తుంది. మనకి ఏం కావాలంటే క్వశ్చన్ లో యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ A and B. సో బెస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ కంపేర్ coefficient of C both sides. Then we get minus of A dot B equals 1 by root 2. Coefficient of C, left hand side minus of A dot B, right hand side 1 by root 2. Compare coefficient of B vector. B vector మన coefficient ఎందుకు కంపేర్ చేయలేదండి ఇక్కడ మనకి A డాట్ C యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ A and C మనకు వస్తుంది. మనకి యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ A and C కాదు అని అడిగింది, మనకి యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ A and B. అది coefficient of C కంపేర్ చేసాం మనం. Now this will be A dot B equals minus 1 by root 2. Minus 1 by dot product between A and B. Dot product formula modulus vector A into modulus vector B into cos theta equal to minus 1 by 2. Here theta angle between A and B vectors. Now A, B, C are non-coplanar unit vectors. A, B, C are unit vectors. Modulus A equal to 1, modulus B equal to 1, modulus C equal to 1. Modulus A 1, modulus B 1. Now cos theta equal to minus 1 by root 2. Now cos theta equal to cos 135 degrees minus 1 by root 2. Now theta equal to 135 degrees or 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. So third one is the right option. Next one, find a set of vectors reciprocal to a set minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap, I cap minus j cap plus k cap, I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Let this vector be A, this one be B, vector B, this one be vector C. Now reciprocal of vector A dash. Now formula is B cross C by box A, B, C. Reciprocal of B vector, B dash. Now C cross A by box A, B, C. Now reciprocal of vector C, C dash. A cross B by box A, B and C. First we need to calculate box A, B, C. Box A, B, C. So using determinant form, box A, B, C. coefficient of I, J, K, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So minus 1 into, we have to leave first row and first column, minus 1, minus 1. So minus 1 into, we have to leave first row and second column, 1, minus 1, this one is 0. Plus 1 into, we have to leave first row and third column, 1 into 1, 1, minus of minus plus 1. Now this one minus of minus plus this 2 minus 0 plus 2, 4. Box ABC is 4. Box ABC 4. Now next we need to calculate B cross C, A cross B and C cross A. First A cross B. A cross B. Cross product between two vectors. So best one is determinant form. I cap, J cap, K cap coefficients of A and B vectors. A vector minus 1 plus 1 1, B vector 1 minus 1 1. Now I cap into 1 into 1 1 plus 1 minus J cap into minus 1 plus K cap into, so 1 minus 1. This will be 2 I cap minus of minus plus 2 J cap 0. Next B cross C. Coefficient of I cap, J cap, K cap of B and C vectors. 1 minus 1 1 1 1 1. Determinant I cap into, so minus 1 minus J cap into 1 minus 1 plus K cap into 1 plus 1. This will be minus 2 I cap, so 0 plus 2 K cap. This last one is C cross A. I cap, J cap, K cap coefficients of C and A. First C vector 1 1 1, A vector minus 1 1 1. Now I cap into 1 minus 1 0 minus J cap 1 minus of minus plus 1 plus K cap into, so 1 minus of minus plus 1. This will be I cap coefficient is 0. Now minus 2 J cap plus 2 K cap. Now first one is reciprocal vector of A. A dash, vector A dash equal to B cross C. B cross C is minus 2 I cap plus 2 K cap by box ABC. Box ABC 4. Now B vector B dash C cross A. C cross A is minus 2 J cap plus 2 K cap by box ABC 4. Now vector C dash. Vector C dash is reciprocal of C. Vector C. Now A cross B is 2 I cap plus 2 J cap by 4. Or bring 2 outside. Here 2 is the common in both the terms. So minus I cap plus K cap by 2. This one is minus J cap plus K cap by 2. This one is I cap plus J cap by 2. Okay. Next problem, let vector A minus I cap minus K cap, vector B minus A cap plus J cap, and vector C I cap plus 2J cap plus 3K cap be three vectors. If R is a vector such that R cross B equal to C cross B and R dot A equal to 0, then the value of R dot B. This one is IIT 2011 integer type question. Okay, integer type question. This one IIT 2011. Now he given R cross B equals C cross B. R dot A equal to 0 he given. We need to find out R dot B. Taking A cross R cross B. Here A cross C cross B. Vector triple product. What is a vector triple product? First vector cross second vector cross third vector. Here first vector dot third into second vector minus first vector dot second vector into third vector. Now cross product of cross vector triple product. Now first vector dot third vector B into second vector R minus first vector dot second vector into third vector B equals first vector dot third vector B into second vector C minus first vector dot second vector into third vector B. He given R dot A dot B equals B dot A. R dot A equal to 0. It means A dot R equals 0. This one is 0. Now A dot B into R vector equals A dot B into vector C minus A dot C vector B. This term is 0. Vector A available, vector B available, vector C available. We can find A dot B and A dot C. Dot product between A and B. I cap and I cap coefficient. Here A dot B. So I cap coefficient 1 minus 1 into minus 1 1. K cap there is no K cap 0, J cap 0. So A dot B is 1. Next we need to find A dot C. A dot C. A and C. I cap coefficients minus 1. There is no J cap 2 into 0 0. K cap coefficient 3 3 into minus 1 minus 3. This value is minus 4. Now A dot C is minus 4. Now A dot B is 1. R vector R equals vector C minus A dot C is 4. Minus of minus plus 4 vector B. Question is the value of R dot B. First you need to calculate vector R. What is vector R? Vector C plus 4 times of vector B. C vector I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap plus 4 times of vector B. Now 4 into minus 4i cap plus 4j cap. Finally R vector minus 3i cap plus 6j cap plus 3k cap. It is a vector of R. This one is the vector R. Question is R dot B. Dot product between vector R and B. Now I cap coefficient minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus plus 3. Fine. J cap coefficient 6 into 1 6. K cap coefficient here 3 at 0. 3 into 0 0. So this value is 9. Integer type question. So final answer is 9. Next problem. Let vector A 2i cap plus j cap plus k cap, vector B I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap, and a unit vector C be coplanar with A and B if C is perpendicular to A. Okay. This vector is a coplanar with A and B. It means first we need to calculate A cross B. If C is perpendicular to A, C is perpendicular to A. What vector C? A cross B. Yeah, vector C A cross B, and C is perpendicular to A. Finally, this will be A cross B. Question is unit vector. Unit vector of C. Now A cross B by magnitude, that is modulus of A cross B vector. So this is a required vector. Okay, CB coplanar with CB plane, the plane of A vector and B vector. It means A cross B. And C is perpendicular to A. It means A is perpendicular to vector A and vector B. Now A cross B, vector triple product. A available, B available. So we can find A cross B. First we need to find A cross B. Then we go for A cross B. A cross B, coefficient of I cap, J cap, K cap. So 2, 1, 1, B vector B 1, 2, minus 1. Now I cap into, so minus 1, minus 2, minus J cap into minus 2, minus 1, plus K cap into, we have to leave first row and third column, to 2's of 4, 4 minus 1. This will be minus 3I cap, minus of minus plus 3J cap, plus 3K cap. This vector is A cross B. Next, we need to calculate A cross B. I cap, J cap, K cap coefficients of A. What is vector A? 2, 1, 1. Now A cross B vector is A cross B vector minus 3I cap plus 3J cap plus 3K cap. Coefficient of I cap minus 3, 3 and 3. Now I cap into, we have to leave first row and first column, 3 minus 3, 0. Minus of J cap, we have to leave first row and second column, 2 3 is 6, 6 minus of minus plus 3, plus K cap into, we have to leave first row and third column, 2 3 is 6, 6 minus of minus plus 3. So this will be 0 into I cap, minus 9 J cap plus 9 K cap. So the required vector C, the required vector C, the unit vector C equals A cross B. A cross B what vector? Minus 9 J cap plus 9 K cap by square root of magnitude of this one, modulus of this one. Coefficient of I cap, coefficient of J cap, coefficient of K cap, square చేయాలండి, then we are adding them. So I cap coefficient 0, 0 square 0, J cap coefficient minus 9 whole square 81 plus 81. Now equal to minus 9 J cap plus 9 K cap by square root of 2 into 81. This will be 9 root 2 minus 9 J cap plus 9 K cap by 9 root 2. So in numerator 9 is common to both the terms. Bring outside 9. 9 times of minus J cap plus K cap by 9 root 2. So final answer is minus J cap plus K cap by root 2. So first one is the right option. Next one, A cross of A cross B. Now it is a vector triple product. This one is vector triple product. First one, first vector cross, second vector cross, third vector. Now vector A cross first vector dot third vector into second vector A minus the first vector dot second vector into third vector B. Now cross product. Now A dot B into A cross A minus A dot A into A cross B. A cross B. Now A cross A is 0. 0 to this one is 0. 0 minus of A cross A minus of A dot A into A cross B. Minus of there is no option. A cross B not equal to B cross A. A cross B equal to minus of B cross A. Minus of B cross A. So minus of A cross B equal to B cross A. Finally this will be A dot A into B cross A. So which one is the right option? A dot A, B cross A. So second one is the right option. This one, if A cross B cross C equal to A cross B cross C, where A, B, C are three vectors such that A dot B equal to 0, B dot C equal to 0, then A and C are parallel, angle between them pi by 3, angle between them pi by 6, perpendicular, angle between them 90 degrees. Four options there. Now, we given A cross B cross C equal to A cross B cross C. We know that A cross B equal to minus of B cross A. A cross B equal to minus of B cross A. This one enter on A cross B. This one is a minus of B cross A. A cross B. So A cross B equal to minus of B cross A equal to A cross B cross C. Now it is vector triple product. First vector, second vector, third vector. First vector dot third vector into vector second minus first vector dot second into third vector B equals first vector dot third vector into second vector minus first vector dot second vector into third vector C. C dot B into vector A minus of minus plus C dot A into vector B equals A dot C into B vector minus A dot B into vector C. C dot A dot B equals A dot B equal to B dot A. A dot B equal to B dot A. Now C dot A and A dot C both are same. A dot C equal to C dot A. Left hand side C dot A B vector, A dot C B vector. These two are cancelled out. So minus and minus cancel out. Now C vector dot B into vector A equals now, so okay, one more step, minus of this one, minus of A vector dot product with vector B into C. Minus cancelled out. Question is then A and C are need to calculate angle between A and C. Okay, A and C. Now vector A equals A dot B by C dot B into vector C. Can we observe dot product between the two vectors? It gives scalar value or constant value. Here A dot B, this one is constant value or scalar. Now A cross B, it gives vector value. Now in the numerator dot product, denominator also dot product. So numerator purely constant, it is scalar. Denominator also purely constant, so scalar. So constant by constant also constant, purely constant. Two vectors are parallel. It means vector A and vector B. Two vectors are parallel. It means one vector equal to some scalar into other vector. Now A vector equal to some scalar into vector C. It means A and C are parallel. Which one is the right option? First one is the right option. Next problem. Two adjacent sides of parallelogram ABCD are given by AB 2i cap plus 10j cap plus 11k cap and AD vector minus I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. The side AD is rotated by angle alpha on the plane of parallelogram, so that AD vector becomes AD dash. If AD dash makes right angle with the side AB, then cosine of angle alpha is given by. ABCD is a parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral with opposite sides are equal and parallel. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. The side AD rotated by angle alpha in the plane of parallelogram. AD becomes AD dash. Moves alpha angle. If AD makes a right angle with AB, okay, this one is right angle with AB. Now vector AD dash equals vector triple product. Here AD dash perpendicular to the AB. Now AB vector cross. Now here cross product between AB and AD. AB and AD. Okay. Here AD moves alpha angle, rotated by alpha angle in the plane of parallelogram. Now AB cross AD, then AD is perpendicular to AB. Now AB cross AD. Now it is vector triple product. Makes a right angle with side AB, then the cosine angle alpha is okay. Here alpha is the angle between the two vectors AD and AD dash. For dot product formula, modulus AD dash into cos alpha. Now cos alpha equals AD dot AD dash by modulus AD into modulus AD dash. First, you need to find out AD vector and AD dash. Okay, first we need to find out vector AD dash. AD is available. What is vector AD? Minus I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Before we go for that, we need to find vector AD dash. First one, AB cross AD. Cross product between these two. AB cross AD, I cap coefficient, J cap coefficient, K cap coefficient. I cap coefficients 2, 10, 11. This vector minus 1, 2, 2. Determinant. I cap into 20 minus 22 minus J cap into, we have to leave first row and second column, 4 minus minus of minus plus 11 plus K cap into, we have to leave first row and third column, 4 minus of minus plus 10. Now this vector is AB cross AD, vector of AB cross AD equals minus 2I cap minus 15 J cap plus 14 K cap. Then find AB cross AD. Now AB cross AD. I cap coefficients, J cap coefficients, K cap coefficients. I cap coefficients of AB, vector AB 2, 10 and 11. Now AB cross AD vector coefficients minus 2, minus 15 plus 14, determinant form. Now I cap into 140 minus of minus plus 165 minus J cap into we have to leave first row and second column, 28 minus of minus plus 22 K cap plus K cap into, we have to leave first row and third column, minus 30 minus of minus plus 20. So this will be, this vector be, add this to 305 I cap, 305 I cap minus 50 J cap, this one is minus 10 K cap. Can we observe 5 is the common multiple, 5 is the common in all the terms. So bring outside 5 times of 61 I cap minus 10 J cap minus 2 K cap. This is the vector of AD dash. AD dash. Now cos alpha equals AD into AD dash. Vector AD minus I cap plus 2J cap and 2K cap. AD dash vector 5 times of 61 I cap minus 10 J cap minus 2K cap. Dot product between AD and AD dash. So I cap coefficient of AD and I cap coefficient of AD dash multiplying. Now coefficient of AD minus 1, coefficient of I is 61. 5 is the common thing. So 61 into minus 1. So minus 61. J cap coefficients here plus 2 here minus 10 minus 20. Now K cap coefficient minus 2 plus 2 minus 4 by modulus AD, modulus vector AD, square root of 1, 2 square 4 and 2 square 4 into square root of AD dash, modulus square root of AD dash. Now 5 is the constant to bring outside. 5 times of square root of 61 square. 61 square, 1 square 1, 2 6 are 12, 1 36, 37. 61 into 61, 61, 6, 36. Yes. 3721. 3721. 10 square 100 plus 100. 2 square 4 plus 4. This will be 5 times of numerator. Numerator is a minus 81 minus 85 by square root of 9 is 3 into 5 square root of this value, and value is 104. 5 2 8 3825 3825. Now 3825 exactly divisible by 25 or yes 25. Exactly divisible by 25. 25 is the factor of this one. 25 ones are 25. 13 132. 5 is a 125. 125 75. 3 is a. Now 153. This one is 25 into 153. 153 divisible by 9. 9 ones, 9 is a factor of 150. 9 ones are 9. 7 is okay, right. Now this will be 5 cancelled out. Minus 85 by 3 into square root of 25 into 9 into 17. Minus 85 by 3 into square root of 25, 5, square root of 9, 3 into square root of 17, square root of 17. If theta is the acute angle, this is important point. Theta is acute angle, so applying modulus. So plus 85, modulus 85. Okay. 5 ones are 5 17s. Square root of 17 by 3 3s are 9. Square root of 17. Square root of 17 by 9. Which one is the right option? Second one is the right option. This one is IIT 2010. IIT 2010. Important model. Next one, let A, B, C be three unit vectors such that A cross B cross C equal to root 3 by 2 times of B plus C. If B is not parallel to C, then angle between A and B. Already same problem discuss చేసామండి 1 by root 2 చేసాం ఇక్కడ same function 1 by root 2 times of B plus C చేసాం B plus C by root 2 same problem practice purpose repeat చేస్తున్నాము వినండి. Now A B C be three vectors such that A cross B cross C is given A cross B cross C equal to root 3 by 2 times of B plus root 3 by 2 times of vector C. Now it is a vector triple product. First vector, second vector, third vector. First vector dot third vector into second vector minus first vector dot second vector into third vector C equals root 3 by 2 times of vector B plus root 3 by 2 times of vector C. Here B and C are not parallel. B and C are non-collinear. So compare coefficient of B vector and coefficient of C vector, left hand side and right hand side, both sides. Now compare coefficient of B vector A dot C equals root 3 by 2. Now compare coefficient of C vector, left hand side minus of A dot B, right hand side root 3 by 2. Is it true? A dot C equals root 3 by 2. But no use, because the angle required between A vector and B vector. So no use this one. Now minus of, it means A dot B equals to minus root 3 by 2. Dot product between these two, modulus A vector modulus B vector into cos theta equals to minus root 3 by 2. Now A, B, C are three unit vectors. Modulus A equal to 1, modulus B equal to 1, modulus C equal to 1. So 1 into cos theta equal to minus root 3 by 2. Now cos theta equal to cos how many degrees root 3 by 2? 30 degrees, pi by 6. Pi by 6 is a negative angle. So pi minus pi by 6. This one is pi by 6. Cos pi by 6. Here theta equal to pi by 6. So which one is the right option? Third one is the right option. This one J means 2014 simple problem. 2014 properties important results చెప్పుకున్నామండి. Box A cross B, B cross C, C cross A. What is the result of this one? Box A, B, C whole square. చెక్ చేయండి ఒకసారి, మీకు మనం ఇంపార్టెంట్ రిజల్ట్స్ చెప్పాము. వెక్టర్ ట్రిపుల్ ప్రొడక్ట్ చెక్ చేయండి. బాక్స్ ఏబిసి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ లాంబ్డా టైమ్స్ ఆఫ్ బాక్స్ ఏ బి సి whole square. This two are cancelled out. Now lambda equals to 1. So fourth one is the right option. Next one, important results. Product of four vectors. Let A, B, C, D be four vectors. Then A cross B cross C cross D equals. Same, this is the first function, first vector, second vector, third vector. Okay. So first vector into second, first vector into third one. This is like first cross second cross third. This one is first vector A cross B dot third D into second vector. First vector dot product with the third vector into second vector minus first vector A cross B this vector dot product with the second vector into third vector D vector, same formula. So first vector, second vector, third vector. First vector dot product with the third vector into second vector minus the first vector dot product with the second vector into third vector D. It is ABD, box ABD. Box AB. It is a scalar triple product. Box AB D into C vector minus here box AB C into D vector. This is the result of this one. Okay, this is the result. Here A cross B, it gives vector value. C cross D, it gives vector value. Now vector cross vector, finally it gives vector. This will become vector, yes or no? So A cross B it gives vector, C cross D cross product gives the vector value. Again vector cross vector, this will become vector. Next, here A cross B, this is the vector. C cross D, this one also vector. Now vector dot product between the two vectors, it gives a constant scalar. Dot product between the two vectors is a purely constant value. Now what is it? Simply dot product between the two vectors A cross B dot C cross D. Simply determine 2 by 2 matrix. Determinant. Now A dot C. Next A dot D. Simply memorize this one. A dot C. A dot D. Next B dot C and B dot D. I hope you are understanding. Impart results of product of 4 vectors. Next problem, 3 unit vectors A, B, C are coplanar. 3 are unit vectors, modulus A equal to 1, modulus B equal to 1, modulus C equal to 1. 3 are coplanar, box A, B, C equal to 0. And a unit vector D is perpendicular to them. Here D is also unit vector. A, B, C are unit vectors. D also unit vector. So modulus D equal to 1, modulus A, modulus B, modulus C, modulus D equal to 1, and 3 are coplanar, box A, B, C equal to 0. If A cross B cross C cross D equal to this one, the angle between A and B vector is 30 degrees. Then vector C. The vector C. Given A cross B cross C cross D equal to I cap by 6 plus J cap by 3 plus K cap by 3. There is a first, this one second cross third. Vector triple product అనుకుందాం అనుకోండి, సింపుల్ గా గుర్తుంటుంది కదా ఈజీగా. సో నౌ ఫస్ట్ వన్ డాట్ థర్డ్. సో A cross B dot third is D vector minus first one dot second A cross B dot second C into vector third equal to I cap by 6 plus J cap by 3 plus K cap by 3. This one is a box A, B, C. A cross B dot C. This one is scalar triple product. Scalar triple product. Box A, B, C dot D. Wait. So one term is missing here. So first vector dot product with the third vector D into second vector C vector. Next first vector dot product with the second vector into third vector. It is a scalar. It is a scalar triple product. Box A, B, D into vector C. This one is 0. Box A, B is 0 because we given 3 are coplanar. A, B, C are coplanar. Box A, B, C will be 0 equal to I cap by 6 plus J cap by 3 plus K cap by 3. Question is vector C. Vector C equal to I cap by 6 plus J cap by 3 plus K cap by 3 by box A, B, D. We cannot find a box A, B, D because we don't know vector D. We don't know vector D. We don't know about vector D. So now it is scalar triple product A cross B dot D. Now vector C equals I cap by 6 plus J cap by 3 plus K cap by 3 by dot product between these two. A dot B modulus A modulus B into cos theta. Now A cross B modulus D into cos theta. What is the angle between A cross B and D? This is important one. Here three unit vectors are coplanar and a unit vector D is perpendicular to them. Vector A, vector B, vector C. So vector D perpendicular to A vector, vector B and vector C. Here what we given vector D perpendicular to them. Vector D perpendicular to A, vector D perpendicular to B, vector D perpendicular to C. Now, what is the angle between A cross B and D? Now it is A cross B. Now A cross B cross product means this one is perpendicular to vector A and perpendicular to vector B. A cross B perpendicular to both vectors A and B. This vector is perpendicular to A and B. Next, D vector also perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. So, A cross B perpendicular to vector A and vector B. We given D vector perpendicular to vector A and vector B. Now, A cross B, the angle between A cross B and vector D is 0. Angle between A cross B and D equals 0. I hope you are understanding. A cross B perpendicular to A and B, D perpendicular to A and B. The angle between these two vectors is 0. So cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. Now vector C equals I cap by 6 plus j cap by 3 plus k cap by 3 by cos 0 is 1 modulus D is 1 because given D is a unit vector D is a unit vector. A unit vector D is perpendicular to them. So modulus D equals 1. Cos 0 is 1. Now cross product between two. Modulus of cross product between these two. So modulus A vector, modulus B vector, angle between these two. So he given angle between A and B is 30 degrees. So sine 30 degrees. Sine 30. Modulus A equal 1, modulus B equal 1 because of pure unit vectors. Now vector C equals, this one is 1 by sine 30 1 by 2. So 2 times of I cap by 6 plus j cap by 3 plus k cap by 3. This one is the vector C, or modification, or finally C vector equals I cap by 2 3 plus 2j, no need this one. So this is the final vector, final answer. C vector equal 2 times of I cap by 6 plus j cap by 3 plus k cap by 3. Next one, let vectors A, B and C be such that A cross B cross C cross D equal to 0. A cross B cross C cross D equal to 0. This one is scaling 2000. This one is here 2000 scaling. A cross B cross C cross D equal to 0. Let P1 and P2 be planes determined by pair of A and C and D. Now vector A, vector B. Now A cross B. Here A cross B perpendicular to vector A and perpendicular to vector B. This is the plane one. Next C cross D. This is the vector C. This one is vector D. Now C cross D vector perpendicular to vector D and perpendicular to vector C. This is the plane 2. The angle between plane 1 and plane 2. It gives the plane 1 and this one plane 2 equal to 0. So these two are parallel. P1 parallel to P2. Cross product equal to 0. Cross product 0 means angle between these two, how many degrees? 0 degrees. Cross product will be 0. Theta equal to 0. Then cross product will be 0. Theta equal to 90, that is perpendicular. Then dot product will be 0. Now cross product between these two planes is 0. It means P1 parallel to P2. So the angle between them 0 degrees. The angle between P1 and P2 is 0 degrees. I hope you are understanding.